Who the fuck are you? What are you doing in my house? Right. As promised. I jammed my finger in the tripod. Right, our job today is to do some decals. I got a few to do, but what am I singing now? Okay. Right, let's move a bit of the Hoover, the vacuum cleaner. Right, we're not that. So that's the vinyl. I got all colours vinyls, but that one was free, so. Right, here we go. My card was full. So, we're going to do this one more time. We'll add a bit more typing now. Yeah, we got the size right. Fucking after. Right, cancel all that shit. Now we've got that size right, hopefully we can add to it. See, you can see, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but I don't give up. There, let's just say that, alright? My cock up. I didn't press originate. You've got to originate where it starts, otherwise it goes right to the top of the paper and then obviously it creased it. Boy, have I got a sore pair of testicles. Well, we'll let that run a minute. If you say you're happy with that, like, we'll then put some vinyl in and give it a go. So you take this out, you put this in. Take the pen out. To there. Originate there. Right, this is speed is 30 mms. The force downwards is 60 pound per square dollop. So it's in. Shall we give it a whirly? Start. Oh, you see me, that's a bonus. There, see ya? Now we got to weed that, it's called weeding. And this thing here, this is a weeder. Now I usually sit by there, but I can't because the interior of the car is there. So let me take you down, cause I'm going. Let me see if I can see what I'm doing. I don't want to see what I'm doing, I want you to see what I'm doing. Chair? Where's my chair? Right. Sit the old. Put some lights on. Now what you gotta do is weed it. So, like, you know, things you don't want. What was that? So you take these out. The bits you won't need. That cut pretty good for 60. Sometimes it cuts too deep. Sometimes it don't cut enough. Now, this is the thing I don't like doing. So, if I could send them somewhere to have this done, I'd be quite happy, because this really gets on your nerves, this shit. Alright, yeah, great if you got good eyes. Great if the letters are bigger. But, you know, I got a couple of big ones to do now. Welcome this way in. Please use door. I got a few to do. Whoop, 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 whoop. Right, that's it, right? So I got. Make sure you get it all off, because it'll haunt you if you don't. It'll haunt you if you don't. Oh my God, the camera's drooped. Where the hell did I count? Oh, I got it, it's done. Right, there you go. Now this stuff here now, make sure everybody's happy. This stuff is called transfer paper. You get a bit of that. Stick it over there. Make sure your letters are on there. What it is this transfer paper is sticky as well, but it's not as sticky as the black. Does that make sense? So you can do that. I've seen them doing it with a credit card. Now when you peel it off, see, your letters come off with it. Okay? Now you stick that on something and then peel it off again, and the letters should stay there, and this clear stuff should come off. Okay? But if you want to transfer that now, hence if I was selling it, well, giving it away, it would go like that. You know, it would be sent like that. Probably a bit better than that, you know what I mean. I'm trying to do it quickly so I'm not wasting your time. So there you are, Robert nurden YouTube channel. Hopefully I spelled everything right, because as you know, I sometimes don't. So, thanks for watching, and hope I don't think that was helpful to you, because I'm not a tutorial sort of person. I gotta do some more now, bigger ones for the office doors and whatever. So at least we got it going. My brain fired on all 4 cylinders.
Favorável, tá tranquilo, tá favorável, tá tranquilo, tá favorável. Vai, brinde pro Zé Calcado.
Okay. Fuck it. Fuck off.